You ever think that technology is so far advanced that Skynet is just a few years away? Well, you may not entirely be wrong. I'm Rithwik and welcome back to the Mechatricon. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of the science and technology behind the 12 most groundbreaking marvels in robotics. We're about to deep dive into the inner workings of these incredible innovations, so let's get started. Before we do remember that this is just part 1 of the video, so stay tuned for more. Volocopters.
2013 feiern wir die Weltpremiere des Volocopters.
First up, let's uncover the science behind the Volocopter, the star of the recent Paris Air Show. This groundbreaking flying machine operates on the principle of electrical vertical takeoff and landing technology. It features multiple rotors and advanced flight control systems that allow it to maneuver through urban environments with exceptional precision. Electrical propulsion systems powered by advanced batteries enable the Volocopter to achieve emission-free flight while significantly reducing noise levels compared to traditional helicopters. The combination of lightweight materials, aerodynamic design, and innovative flight control algorithms allow it to provide a safe and efficient mode of air mobility. It's a marvel that opens up new possibilities for transportation in densely populated areas. Airport police robots. Up next, let's unravel the technology behind the Singapore airport police robots. These machines are equipped with a multitude of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms that enable them to autonomously patrol the airport and enhance security measures. The robots navigate the terminals using mapping and localization technologies, allowing them to scan for unattended bags, identify suspicious activities, and even analyze crowd movements in real time. The integration of computer vision, machine learning, and sensor fusion techniques enables these robots to adapt to dynamic environments and make decisions. By working in synergy with human officers, these robots augment existing infrastructure, creating safer and more efficient environments for travelers. It's a brilliant example of how robotics and AI are revolutionizing our world. Sparrow's BB. Are you a fan of Star Wars? Up third, let's explore the fascinating technology behind Sparrow's BB-8, the lovable droid from the Star Wars franchise. This operates through a combination of design, advanced robotics, and augmented reality. The spherical body houses an internal robotic mechanism, allowing it to roll and move with precision. It's controlled through an app that connects via Bluetooth and enables users to command BB-8's movements, explore virtual environments, and engage in missions. The integration of AR technology allows users to project messages and immerse themselves into the Star Wars universe. Through clever engineering and design, Sparrow has brought this iconic droid to life, creating an interactive and immersive experience for fans of all ages. Festo's bionic ants. Fourth, we have ants. You heard me right. Prepare to be amazed by the science behind Festo's bionic ants. These remarkable robots draw inspiration from the behavior of real ants with the power of swarm intelligence. Each ant operates independently but communicates and collaborates with other ants to achieve complex tasks. Through advanced sensors, communication systems, and decentralized decision-making algorithms, bionic ants can coordinate their movements, adapt to changing environments, and work together to overcome obstacles. The robots mimic the biomechanics of ants, enabling them to crawl, grasp objects, and interact with their surroundings. Festo's ants are a testament to the potential of biomimicry, where engineers learn from nature's design and create more efficient and adaptable robotic systems. KUKA's Cobot. Let's now delve into the technology behind KUKA's collaborative robots, cobots. These robots are designed to work hand in hand with human operators, enabling safe and efficient collaboration across industries. Cobots are equipped with advanced sensors such as force and torque sensors, sophisticated vision systems and all, allowing them to perceive their environment and detect human presence. This ensures that the robots can work alongside humans without causing harm. They utilize motion planning algorithms and control systems, allowing them to perform precise, repetitive tasks, relieving human operators from monotonous and physically demanding work. The real-time communication enhances productivity, efficiency, and workplace safety. It's a remarkable fusion of human-machine interaction and robotics, creating a harmonious and collaborative working environment. DJI Phantom Drone. Let's uncover the technology behind the DJI Phantom Drone, which is transformed aerial photography and videography. The Phantom drones incorporate advanced flight control systems, GPS navigation, and stabilization technologies to ensure smooth and stable flight. Drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras mounted on stabilized gimbals, allowing videographers to capture stunning aerial imagery and footage. These drones use onboard processors and image processing algorithms to optimize the image quality and stabilize them in real time. With the intuitive remote control systems and intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and Waypoint navigation, Phantom drones enable us to capture cinematic shots and explore perspectives that were once out of reach. It's a perfect synergy between cutting-edge aviation and the art of visual storytelling. And that's all for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we explore 6 more technologies and advancements. That's all. This is the Mechatricon, and see you tomorrow.